Hi my friends, this is Rex from Bigseller. I'll show you how to use the shipping fee manage feature on Bigseller in this video. With this feature, Bigseller will auto-calculate the discrepancy between platform charged and customer paid, which saves your time calculating the shipping fee manually, and you can learn the overcharged shipping fee directly. This feature is only for complete orders of Shopee and Lazada. To use this feature, you can go to Bigseller, Orders, Shipping Fee Manage, here, and you will see this page. This is a test account and we don't have orders here, but in your own account you will see the data here. Okay, for example, Shopee, we had three status: negative, normal, and positive. The shipping fee is calculating here. Shipping subtotal equals shipping fee paid by buyer and final shipping fee here. This is the formula. Okay, and with this formula you can know if you are overcharged shipping fees. And for Lazada, the formula is shipping subtotal equals overweight surcharge plus shipping fee voucher by seller. Here you can see if you are overcharged. I'm going to show you some examples here. Okay, this is the example here. For example, this one is the normal one. You can see the shipping subtotal is 0. And next one, this is the overcharged here. Okay, so when you are overcharged, you can check if you enter the wrong package size or weight to avoid more overcharged shipping fees. And okay, that's all about the shipping fee manage on Bigseller. You can contact us if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications. Thank you. Bye.